Hey, this is Ash. I know nothing about cars, and I'm going to maintenance my RAV4. O'Reilly's hooked me up. Where is, it says I have low brake fluid. I don't know where brake fluid goes. Is that brake fluid right there? High pressure inside brake. Oh, this is the brake system. Bro, that's not low. God, I hope that's the right container. Is that too much? All right, so Kamish hooked me up with this. This is cabin air filter. I don't know where that goes. So we're skipping that. This is an air filter. All right, well, fooling around here, I realized that this comes off and that looks like an air filter. I mean, not really that dirty. Huh. Man, Greta Thunberg would be happy about that. Look at that green, baby. One hand. All right, let's stick it in there. Put the clip on. Put the clip on. Boom, bam, pow. Put it neutral. Where's the cabin filter, air filter go? Does that go inside the car? Huh. All right, take it out of the box. Doing it one hand is kind of difficult. Instructions, okay. Behind glove compartment. Look at that ancient thing. All right, so this needs to come off. There's clips here. Does squeeze that together? Or oh, okay, just like that. Booyah! Okay. Oh man, now what? Where is it behind that? That makes no damn sense. Hang on. That's some bull crap. Accidentally did something. That came off? Is it up in here? What is that? Is that it? Oh my God, I did it. Okay. Oh wow. It's extremely cheap. Okay. Oh! Do I put it in this plastic thing? I bet I do. I bet I need to put it back in that plastic thing. Dang it. Hang on. Yeah, okay, I'm back. I put it in the plastic thing. There's the old one. Here's the new one. Back in the slot. You know, it is quite difficult doing this with one hand and to film. I should have got my tripod out, but being smart is not what I'm known for. What is that? That fits up in there. That says up. I can't see. Well, I can't freaking see. I need a flashlight. This thing got a flashlight on it. This shouldn't be this difficult. All right, I got it back in there. Had to slide that in first, and then that pushes in. So that was the issue. All right. Oh, is that supposed to do that? So, okay, that clip back in. Clip that back in. And there you have it. Other than putting on the rear wiper blade. That's how you do it, folks. Easy as pie. Changing the filters, filling up the brake fluid, and holding the camera while doing it. This is Ash, Mechanicsville. I'm just a producer, man. I'm not a mechanic. Look at that. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Like and subscribe for more of me trying to figure out cars. I bet Stu couldn't figure this out. This car is too new for him. He'd probably be just like me. He's like, oh, I don't understand where this goes. Too much plastic. I'm used to metal cars.